When Goodmans go bad. Brought to you by Just the Maintenance Man. What's going on, guys? Let's see. Had to burn my screwdriver. Brought me a capacitor just in case. I sure did. Alright, fan's running, compressor's not running. Now, since it's a Goodman, I'm just gonna dive right into this and say I like to bet myself what's wrong on these units before I even start. So I'm gonna say bad run cap. The cap's done, because I can hear the contactor humming a little bit, but you know, no big deal there. They always hum a songer, so. Oh goodness. Goodness gracious. There we go. I hate the way these are put like this, man. Got this screw up here. I forgot about that one. Alright. Let's see what's going on with it. It's a Goodman, so it's gonna be an easy fix, right? It's gonna be a run cap, right? See, they didn't put any insulation or anything. They just blasted a hole with their torch. And then, dude, why is that green? Like, ew. Alright, well. Make sure they didn't bypass the stupid disconnect. Well, the fan went off, but that don't mean shit. That just means one leg went off. And bypass the damn disconnect. Get lit up in here. It happened to me on that one right there. I thought it was off, but it only broke one leg and I got lit. It's not fun, you know. What am I doing? Voltage, man. Coffee hasn't kicked in yet. Not today. There it goes. Power's off. Capacitor de-energized. Actually, before I even take the damn thing out, what is this? Oh crap, it's a 30. Alright guys, I was right. This is usually whatever is in, this is 221. Usually whatever is in the middle is the second. So this is 3, 1, 2. So it's like not even in order. I want to do this without. Common here is going to be red. Just get you off of here. Don't break, don't break. That'll be another trip. I gotta go 500. I brought leak detector too, just in case. It could be low on pressure, but test this cap. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I said the fan was even barely running. It's gonna be a bigger cap though. Plus or minus 5, right? My question, why is this so small? For a compressor wire, that's... That's just fucking stupid. Where's my screw at? Common fan. Now, that's just weird. Usually, I think somebody's been in here and did something funky to this thing. I don't know. I sure like to thank them for not putting any insulation on this crap. I just want to get this stuck up there just for a second so I can flip this without it falling to pieces on me. Get up in there, boy. I gotta say, the only thing I don't like about Goodmans is the way this crap goes together. I don't know if they changed that any in the years, over the years, but I definitely don't like it. Get this up. Put a screw in it just for now. She runs again. You can't kill a Goodman. Everybody knows that. If it was a train, you couldn't stop a train. Yeah. Alright, let me get this put back together. And I'll be back with some... We'll check the temperatures while I'm up here. Make sure it's doing what it does. But it's you know, it's beer can cold method sure is checking out, but so I'll get y'all into some numbers if y'all are interested. So I'll be back in just a second. Alright, for some reason, there it goes. I knew as soon as I start talking I would go up there. 25 degrees superheat. Yeah. Shit. There's a little... Can't even make out what is R22. Man, that thing's cold as hell though. Slightly low, but it's not like freezing up or anything. So, and it's, I mean, it's not. Let's say this thing's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh well, I can't charge it anyway, guys. I don't have R22 on this property anymore, so it looks good enough. I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Plus, I gotta go take a look at that short cycling mofo over there after this one. So it's good. I mean, like I said, we don't carry R22 on the property, so nothing I can really do anyway. If so, we're just gonna have to let that one ride. Just wanted to check it. Oh shit. Got oil all over my new shit, you fucker. These are gonna get dirty. I can tell you that right now. Shit. That's supposed to be low loss fittings here. What's going on? No, I'm just kidding. Alright. She's good. She's gonna be happy. That's all that matters to me, really. Listen to that thing, man. Good God. It'll shut off here again. Bet you that's low on pressure. Alright. I gotta put this back together. And we'll see you next time. It's been Jeff the Maintenance Man, guys. Y'all have a great day. I know I am.